Samsung has been leading the foldable phone market for years, but one feature has always been missing: that built-in S Pen. While that might not change with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, recent leaks hint that Samsung is making improvements to the S Pen itself. Unlike the recent downgrade of the S Pen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this new update might actually enhance the writing experience, making it smoother and more natural. According to leaks from tipster at PanaFlash Pro, Samsung is developing a redesigned S Pen with a different tip that could provide a better feel when writing or sketching. The stylus is also expected to be slightly thicker, making it more comfortable to hold for longer periods. Reports suggest that mass production for this new S Pen will begin in June 2025, aligning with the Galaxy Z Fold 7's anticipated launch in July. However, since this information is based on leaks, it's best to wait for official confirmation before getting too excited. One big question remains: will this new S Pen be the same size as previous models, or will it be closer to the larger S Pen Pro? It's also unclear whether Samsung will include Bluetooth functionality for air actions and gesture controls, features that have been present in earlier versions of the stylus. Beyond the S Pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to come with several key upgrades. Reports indicate that Samsung might increase the display sizes, with the cover screen expanding to 6.5 inches and the main foldable display reaching 8 inches. The crease in the foldable screen is also expected to be less noticeable, giving users a smoother and more immersive experience. Additionally, Samsung is reportedly working on making these displays more power efficient, which could have a positive impact on battery life. When it comes to the camera system, Samsung might not introduce significant hardware changes. The device is expected to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. On the front, it could house a 12-megapixel selfie camera, similar to what's found on the Galaxy S25 series. While these specifications are solid, it's unclear if Samsung will introduce major software improvements to enhance image quality. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring a fast and smooth experience. The base model is expected to come with at least 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Samsung will likely ship the device with One UI 7, which should introduce the latest software optimizations and new features. Battery life has always been a concern with foldable phones, and Samsung doesn't seem to be making drastic changes in this area. The battery capacity is expected to remain the same, but the phone could support faster 45-watt charging. Additionally, it may be Qi 2 ready, which could improve wireless charging efficiency when paired with compatible accessories. Despite all these rumored enhancements, one thing remains the same: there's still no built-in slot for the S Pen. Many users have been asking for this feature for years, but it looks like Samsung is sticking with its current design approach. While the new S Pen might offer a better experience, users will still have to carry it separately or use a case that holds the stylus. So does the Galaxy Z Fold 7 look like a major upgrade? That depends on what you prioritize. If you're looking for a better S Pen experience, a larger display, and improved power efficiency, this could be an exciting release. But if you were hoping for a built-in S Pen or major battery life improvements, you might not find this model groundbreaking. What are your thoughts on these rumored upgrades? Would you consider upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, or are you waiting for something even better? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.
The battle for the best mid-range smartphone just got more interesting. Apple has launched the iPhone 16e, a more affordable version of the iPhone 16 starting at $599. With that lower price comes a few compromises. It doesn't include MagSafe or Qi 2 wireless charging, lacks an ultra-wide-angle camera, skips the dedicated camera shutter button, and doesn't feature the dynamic island. Meanwhile, Google is preparing to release the Pixel 9a, rumored to launch in March for $499, making it at least $100 cheaper. Both phones aim to attract buyers in the mid-range segment, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest differences between these two devices is the display. The Pixel 9a is expected to feature a 120Hz OLED screen, which makes scrolling and animations feel much smoother than the 60Hz panel on the iPhone 16e. It also offers a higher brightness level, with a full-screen brightness of 1,800 nits and an HDR peak of 2,700 nits. This should make it easier to see outdoors and improve video playback. When it comes to cameras, Google's phone may have an edge. The iPhone 16e comes with a single rear camera, while the Pixel 9a is rumored to include a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing users to take wider shots and making it more versatile for different types of photography. Despite these differences, both phones share some features. They support USB-C charging and offer water resistance. However, their approach to security is different. The iPhone 16e relies on Apple's advanced 3D face recognition, which is quick and works well in low-light conditions. In contrast, the Pixel 9a is expected to use an in-display fingerprint sensor, which some users might prefer for added privacy. Even though the Pixel 9a has advantages in display and camera technology, the iPhone 16e has strengths that can't be ignored. Its aluminum and glass build feels more premium compared to the plastic body of Google's phone. The biggest advantage, however, is performance. Apple's A18 processor is estimated to be around 72% faster than Google's Tensor G4 chipset, giving the iPhone 16e better speed for gaming, multitasking, and overall responsiveness. Apple's processors have a history of outperforming competitors in both raw power and efficiency, which means the iPhone 16e is likely to remain smooth and reliable for years. Battery life is another important factor. While Google hasn't revealed exact details about the Pixel 9a's battery capacity, the company often focuses on software efficiency to extend battery performance. On the other hand, Apple's deep integration of hardware and software allows for optimized power consumption. However, since the Pixel 9a has a 120Hz display, it may use more battery compared to the iPhone 16e's lower refresh rate. Those who prioritize longer battery life might find Apple's phone to be the better option. Another key consideration is software support. The iPhone 16e runs on iOS, ensuring long-term software updates and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Features like iMessage, AirDrop, and compatibility with other Apple devices make it appealing to those already using Apple products. In contrast, the Pixel 9 runs on Android and offers customization options, Google's AI-powered features, and integration with services like Google Assistant and Google Photos. For many buyers, the choice between iOS and Android will be just as important as the hardware itself. Deciding between the iPhone 16e and the Pixel 9a depends on individual priorities. If performance, premium build quality, longer software support, and Apple's ecosystem are key factors, the iPhone 16e is a strong contender. However, if a smoother display, a more versatile camera setup, and a lower price point matter more, the Pixel 9a might be the better choice. Both devices bring solid value to the mid-range smartphone market, offering users compelling reasons to pick either one. Which one would you go for? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Samsung is gearing up to introduce a more affordable foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip FE. This device aims to bring foldable technology to a wider audience by offering a budget-friendly alternative to the premium models. Leaks from recent firmware updates confirm that Samsung is actively developing this phone, with an initial launch expected in Europe. However, new reports indicate that it will also be available in India and the UAE, signaling a broader release strategy. A post from Tarun Vats on X has uncovered firmware listings for the Galaxy Z Flip FE in multiple regions, hinting at Samsung's efforts to expand its foldable lineup. By introducing a lower-cost version, the company seems to be targeting customers who have been hesitant to invest in foldables due to their high prices. As these devices gain popularity, making them more accessible could be a smart move for Samsung. Despite being a budget model, this new foldable is expected to retain several high-end features. Reports suggest that the phone will come with an armor aluminum frame, ensuring durability, and use the same hinge mechanism as the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip sticks for a seamless folding experience. The main display is